hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a Banana Republic factory outlet haul. For reference, I live relatively close to an outlet mall, which is great in some respects, but I'm not sure why I chose the holiday season to go there because it was busy. I was able to pick up a few items that I wanted to share in this haul with you. As I like to do with these hauls, I like your feedback and input on what I'm keeping, what I'm returning. Sometimes it's an easy return or it's an easy keep, but then other times I can be swayed. So having said all of that, let's get started. The first item we have is this knee-length sweater dress. I love sweater dresses. I think they are so easy. Dresses in general, it's almost one of those one-stop outfit type things. All you need to figure out is your shoes and your accessories, your bag, that type of thing. But they are relatively easy. They're comfortable. This particular dress, I opted just to wear it plain. Clearly, I could have belted it. If I really want just more of a casual look, I'll just leave it unbelted. And even though I do have a short torso, I will belt it just to kind of bring it together and make it a little bit more uniform. For this try on, I just left it unbelted, put on a pair of boots. By the way, everything will be linked below in the description box. If you don't know where the description box is, just under the title, just click more and it will expand into a box with all the links and all other details about myself and the outfits themselves. I will leave all my sizing details down below as well as the size range on each of the items, so be sure to look down there if I don't mention it as I'm going along. I happen to, I don't know what it is, but when I go into Banana, I always sort of luck out. It's like 50% off, and then because I'm a card holder, then I get an additional 20% off that particular day. So I really did very well. I'm not going to share the prices that I actually paid because online it's going to look certainly different. As you know, online and in-store generally run differently from a price point perspective. Anyway, back to the dress. It's a long sleeve mock ribbed collar. It does have just a straight hem. For reference, this does come in two other colors, more chocolate brown and a black. I went with the tan because I didn't see the black or the brown. I may have gone with the brown, but in any event. The dress does come in regular, tall, and petite sizing. I went with regular sizing. It is, in my opinion, true to size. If you wanted it a little bit more form-fitting, then go down. I just went with my true to size, and I believe that was the right way to go. To me, this is the perfect dress if you're going out to dinner. It's certainly also workwear appropriate. You can dress it up in just so many different ways. If you are not a boots person, just wearing it with a pair of pumps, I don't know, someone may opt to wear some combat Chelsea boots with it or something, but that's not really my style, but I'm sure it's somebody's. I understand dresses aren't for everyone. I just like the ease and the comfort that a dress such as this can offer. I'm a fan. Next up is this Fair Isle alpaca blend sweater. I picked it up in more of the darker tone brown, but it does come in a softer ivory tone, which was really pretty too. Not quite sure why I went with the brown, but I think I'm just on this brown kick lately. So I picked it up in the brown with the intention of possibly wearing it with some leggings. You'll notice here in the clips I did pair it with some faux leather pants from Walmart, and then I just put on some plain basic flats that I will have linked down below as well. I put the flats on because I know a lot of you don't wear heels, or you're not into like the Chelsea boots or that type of thing, so I was trying to give you a different perspective on how to wear certain pieces. Now, for me, I'm not necessarily sure. Not that I wouldn't wear this outfit, but I would probably have gone with something with a little bit more of a heel in some way. That's just me. I love flats. They serve a purpose. but I always feel the most comfortable with just a little bit of a heel. But I just wanted to show wearing flats. So you'll see that the sweater is a crew neck and it also has a straight hem. It does say on the website that it is prone to shedding because of the natural fibers. I know that people are sensitive, so I did just want to share that with you because I think it's important. I found it to be really quite soft, as one would imagine. It wasn't itchy. However, I probably would wear like a long sleeve, just a basic tee underneath it, just from a layering standpoint, but also just so I don't have that against my skin. And I don't know, that's just, I didn't have it on today, but I would generally just put something underneath it just as an added extra layer. So next up we have this oversized tie back sweater. I'm wearing one of them right now, which I think is going to be the first clip, and then I also picked it up in white. You'll notice when I turn around, it just looks right now just like a plain black sweater, but when you turn around, that's where the detail is, and it just has a nice tie in the back. Of course, I didn't tie it so nicely, but had I been wearing it out, I would have done a much better job. You have the mock neck, you have the rib neck, as well as the arms and the hem. I would say this is true to size. Actually, I went with a small in the black and an extra small in the white. So I'd be curious to hear your comments. Leave a comment down below which fit you liked better, although I don't have them paired with the same pants, so it's not going to be apples to apples, but I'm just curious to see. I'm comfortable with either size. So I do have it paired with these denim flared pants from BP at Nordstrom that I got either last year or the year before. I will try to link them. I'll do my best to see. I know there is a pair from Sofia Vergara. I haven't tried them, but I know they have really good reviews, and if I can't find these exact ones, I'll be sure to link the one from Walmart. And then you'll notice with the white, I was trying to dress it up a little bit, and I picked up these suede or faux suede pants, also from Banana. They're calling it a vegan suede skinny jean, and I agree with that. These pants also come in a regular, tall, and petite. Sizing seems to be a little limited on the regular, petite not so much. If you are interested in these, you may want to act fast. They come in the black, which I have, brown, and a camel color. They do have a button closure with the zip fly. They do have belt loops, as well as them being a 5-pocket jean slash pants. I did pair it with some shoes from Express, which I will be having an Express factory try-on haul coming up soon. I wanted to make it a little bit more festive, if that made sense. I thought the sweater, the pants, and I thought these shoes from Express were going to do it for me. Not that I don't like the outfit. First of all, these shoes, can we just talk about how high the heel is? They are way too high. I'm not saying they aren't comfortable, but if you're not used to walking in this high of a heel, it will be difficult, because I was a little wobbly, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm okay with that. But yeah, these are really very pretty. I just wanted to share them, even though they're from Express. I was trying to put that look together and I thought it went well, but I don't know if the pants are throwing me off. You'll see my Express video, how I paired it in there, and I think that was the look I was going for with this particular look. I do like the pants. You let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Should I keep or return? This is one of those that I could go either way. The next up is this metallic gold top. It does come in 3 other colors. I want to say black, white, and brown maybe. The gold spoke to me for obvious reasons. I did keep on the suede pants, and I just have it paired with a pair of pumps that are old that I probably won't be able to find, quite frankly. I guess I'm into cutouts in the back, because you'll notice this also has a cutout in the back. It does have an empire waist. The metallic sheen makes it easy to truly dress up, or if you just want to wear it whatever to the movies, you can do that too. But I had picked it up with, you know, festive parties in mind. I like it because there's so much you can do with it. You can wear it with the skirt, you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with the black pants just like I did, and play around. And it's just simple, It's not too glittery, which I like. I don't have sparkles all over me. It's a nicely made metallic top that you can get a lot of mileage out of. I would be comfortable wearing this to the office, maybe on like a Friday, have the blazer on, and then take the blazer off and head out on the town on the Friday night or something. I think that's a nice transition too. But it could also work for your holiday, your office parties and such. So anyway, I really liked it. Next up is a crew neck sweater in this red and black plaid print, which there was a lot of red and black in this store, and there was something about this that just spoke to me. I love red, I do love black. I believe it comes in a black and white print as well, but the red and black spoke to me. I thought of the holidays, and in my mind I was going to wear it with some leggings, and I thought that would look good, but it wasn't long enough for the leggings to cover. I am not so concerned about the back, but it just didn't cover the front, and I was like, I wouldn't wear it with leggings. That's just me. So I just paired it with black pair of pants that are split at the bottom, and I don't know, I would wear this to the office or out to dinner and feel festive during this season. I mean, clearly you could wear it whenever. I don't know about you, but I have a hard time with plaid. I love it on other people, like the flannels and all of that. I just have a hard time with it on my own. I'm not sure why I feel that way. Maybe it does look fine, but I just have this hang up of the image I want it to look like and it doesn't. I thought maybe because the plaid was a little bit bigger, it would look nice. I did get an extra small in this sweater. I'm not sure if there weren't any smalls or just holding the small up versus the extra small. I thought the extra small was a better choice. Maybe if I got the small, maybe it would have come down a little bit more in the length and I could have had the vision of wearing it with leggings, but that's not what we're working with here. So you let me know down below, did I hit the mark on this or is it just not me? Curious to hear your thoughts. Although all this talk about plaids, I do have another clip coming up with plaid. Next up is this red and tan half zip. It's a chunky style. It does have some weight to it. You'll notice how I have it zipped all the way down and just open. I just love that look. I can see myself putting on a turtleneck underneath and loving that as well. I wouldn't necessarily zip it up, but I do believe I showed it zippered up, and it's totally fine. It's just a little too much on my neck. I just thought it was a really pretty sweater. I can't find it online, so I can't link it. They do have one in a baby size though, which I thought was adorable. And there was another color block of white with a gray interior collar. And initially, I wanted the red. I carried around the white throughout the store. And then when I got to the register, I was like, there's just something about that red one. And I went back and I grabbed it and didn't take the white and the gray, but it was really pretty. The red and beige was just calling my name, so that's what I went with. I was really a fan of this sweater. Unfortunately, like I said, I can't link it, but if you do happen to go into the store, I encourage you to take a look at it because it is a really nice sweater. I also came across this crop tuxedo blazer, which I just thought was such a cute piece. I love blazers. Normally I go for a longer blazer, but there was something about this that really spoke to me. Clearly I dressed it up for, you know, work wear if you would, but I would wear this with a pair of jeans and even just a turtleneck underneath and just keep it, you know, sort of chic. I don't know if that's right. I would certainly piece this together with denim and or dress. Like I would go either way with it. Again, I use dinner as the outing, but if I was going out to dinner and it was more casual, I could see myself just throwing this on with a pair of denim, and I think that would look super cute just as well as it does with a pair of dress slacks. So next up, we have this boyfriend flannel shirt. Just like I said, here's another plaid print. Tell me honestly what you think, because I can almost get behind this for myself. I like the color tones. There's something about the print itself. I do have on a turtleneck underneath, just a lightweight turtleneck. This is the exact fit for me that I would want in a flannel. The fit, the length, the sleeves, it's a perfect fit for me the way I want it. You know, you think of boyfriend, you think of oversized, but I wouldn't necessarily say that I'm swimming in it, and I don't know, there's just something about it. Maybe I'm seeing something different than you guys are, let me know, but I am really happy with this flannel. It comes in a range of colors, a range of sizes. It has your point collar, long sleeves with a button cuffs, button front closure, back yoke, and a shirt tail hem, and I am just in love with this flannel. Of course, the color is perfect. I don't know, please help me out, because this one I'm struggling with. I want everybody to like it because I think I like it just as much. I'm just excited about this because the fit is what I want in a button-down flannel. Okay everyone, so that does it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave all the comments down below. I need to know what I'm keeping, what I'm returning. Are my thoughts off on the flannel? I love to read your comments, and I love the feedback that I receive because it's just so helpful, not only to me, but to everyone else. So thank you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.